Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic in trends in advertising. Let's start with the first trend, sponsored content. There has been an increase in the number of ad blockers. Due to this, sponsored content has become an increasingly famous form of advertising. The message is incorporated in the form of unpaid content. This results in bypassing the ad blocker. Hence, visitors find it to be less irritating. Sponsored content includes in-feed advertising, advertorials, and promoted posts. Example of a sponsored content by Cristiano Ronaldo. The estimated average price per post by him is about $900,000. Ronaldo does brand endorsements very well. He is the ideal celebrity for any sports brand. Other celebrities fail to write a caption and just mention the brand. Ronaldo, on the other hand, does a thorough job by promoting the brand properly with a caption. Here's an example of post where he promoted shoes for Nike. Next, example in this case is Dwayne Johnson. His estimated average price per post is about $1 million. And he also does justice to the brand he promotes. Next trend is of shorter video ads. Customers will watch any ad only if it's useful, relevant, and attention-grabbing. This has resulted in declining the amount of time spent watching an ad across almost every medium. This is leading brands to examine short videos. Their aim is to serve short attention spans and win against the skip button. Marketers now try to tell the story of a brand in under 15 seconds. These shorter bumper ads pose a creative challenge. The shorter video format needs impactful content, and the content needs to provoke an instantaneous emotional reaction from the viewer. One brand doing justice in this particular space are the commercials by Volkswagen for its brand of cars, Golf. The ads are short and to the point, and in most cases, they do not involve any audio. Moving on to the next of OTT advertising. Those who distribute streaming media on the internet are called over-the-top content providers. Traditional broadcast television has been disrupted by these services. It has resulted in a new era of consumers to cut the cord with cable and satellite services. The OTT industry currently has three video on-demand models that are dominating: subscription VOD, transactional VOD, and ad-supported VOD. The videos watched on the OTT streaming device can't be skipped, neither can an ad blocker be installed. This results in higher video completion rates for advertising on OTT advertising than in browser video ads. Moving on to the fourth trend of mobile advertising. In modern times, consumers rely more on their phones. The devices are used for news, shopping, and for a substantial amount of entertainment. Marketers are well aware of this. A lot of video recorded on mobile devices are now being captured in an upright format. This format is known as vertical video. This trend has led many brands into creating vertical advertisements. Vertical advertisements are aimed towards platforms like Snapchat, Instagram Stories, and Facebook. One brand to capture this trend was Starburst. A series of ads for Starburst, the fruit-flavored candy from Mars, were released for optimized viewing on mobile devices. The best enjoyed vertically ads backed the launch of Starburst swirlers. As per information shared with Mobile Marketeer, it is described as its first vertically shaped candy. The video shows scenes that look odd unless they are seen vertically as on a smartphone. DDB United States created this digital ad for Starburst under the category confectionery and snacks. Moving on to the fifth trend of user-generated content. Word-of-mouth marketing goes on to be a precious asset to brands even in the new digital age. All relevant content like videos, pictures, social media posts or reviews by unpaid fans of a brand is defined as UGC. UGC is extra budget conscious compared to other forms of marketing. It also generates 7 times more engagement as compared to regular brand-generated content. And the brand redefining UGC is GoPro. GoPro understands the value of UGC. It has created numerous incentivizing programs to generate UGC content. It searches killer content number of categories which exhibit the degree of product usage for GoPro cameras. Through GoPro Awards, prizes like money, equipment, and social stock or tags and reshare from GoPro's official channels are offered. For instance, GoPro's $1 Million Challenge. GoPro's grand end of the year highlight reel allows entries only shot on the newest high-end camera launched by GoPro. Every user who submitted a clip gets an equal share of $1 million as a prize money. Next comes QR codes. A quick response code is also called a QR code. It is a 2D symbol very similar to the universal product code. When scanned by a QR code reader, it evokes a digital action. When it is scanned by a smartphone, it can initiate several actions. It can send an SMS, make a phone call, or open a website. Around 11 million households will scan a QR code in 2020 according to Statista. In 2021, due to the pandemic, the usage of QR codes has increased. This is not only because a QR code is versatile, but also because it is hygienic and safe. Some of the creative examples of a usage of QR codes are the first case at a virtual toy store at Walmart. where details about the toy are available only when you scan them. And then breathing new life into otherwise boring places with QR codes, a museum, and in this case a shopping mall in Singapore, where 4 life-size QR mascots were employed in a shopping mall in the shape of shopping bags embellished with a large QR code. Moving on to the 7th trend, programmatic advertising delivered through artificial intelligence. 2021 will reveal a new advertising trend. It is speculated that programmatic ads via artificial intelligence will be the new game changer of the year. It will be used to automate ad purchases. It has become increasingly challenging to govern as the range of channel used for reaching customers has grown significantly. The management of programmatic platforms through AI solves this problem. And one company nailing this is Albert Technologies. Artificial solutions for agencies and brands are made by Albert Technologies. The software operates across channels like Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads, Instagram, and Gmail. It operates along the entire customer lifecycle. The company's autonomous digital marketeer is named Albert. Albert implements campaigns from start to finish. Insights from cross-channel data are also delivered by Albert. Industry impact? A client of Albert, Harley-Davidson, New York, witnessed an increase of 566% in website views. 40% of his motorcycle sales have also been credited to Albert. After the implementation of Albert, numerous other franchises of Harley-Davidson have started working with the AI digital marketer. And the final trend of live videos. By 2021, the live video industry is estimated to be worth $70 billion. It is extremely popular with customers. Compared to pre-recorded videos, people spend 3 times longer watching live video. It is also the most common way of learning about new products. Adding a live element makes the video more engaging. It makes the audience believe that they are part of it and can influence the content. It makes the audience feel that instead of watching passively, they can impact the content and are a part of it. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on trends in advertising. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.